Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we're talking about the Winklink coin price. Then a lot of holders doing a big mistake at this time friends, so please don't do this mistake and be safe from loss friends. In this video I'm also telling you the price of the Winklink coin at this time and the price change occur in the Winklink coin. So keep watch this video for more updates and subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more friends. Keep watch for more news and updates. As you can see here at this time, the Winklink coin price in this time in the market as 0.001274 USD dollar in this time price of the Winklink coin. And if we look the price change occur in the Winklink, so the last 1 hour price change has gone wrong, I mean that negative, and the last 1 day price change is positive, last 1 week change is again negative friends. That's mean that the Wink coin only take a drop in the last 1 day friends. Let's see the price chart for more details, for more news friends. What's going in this time in the Winklink coin? Oh my god, here is a good news, here is a surprise news for all of you friends. Don't worry, the funding as you can see here also fast occur in the Winklink coin for more, as you can see here. So don't lose hope at this time friends. Now it's time to take a pump. As you can see here at this time the last 1 hour price change is going upward friends, so they are in the positive, and it's time the Winklink coin is ready to take a high jump friends. Anyways, if we talk about the mistake of the holders at this time doing, so as you can see over and over fast occur in the Winklink coin, as you know friends. So a lot of holders doing a selling, goes to a market and this sell Winklink coin friends. So don't sell Wink coin at this time friends. Wink coin is one of the best crypto and I hope that Wink make millionaire friends. Why are you selling friends? The whole changes occur at this time and Wink coin is going positive friends. So why are you selling? Please don't sell it. As you can see here at this time they are ready to take a high jump, and now it's just a beginning of jumping. The big pump of the Wink coin are coming soon, so please don't sell it. Don't sell Wink coin friends. It's time to hold. Once again I'm telling you, it's time to hold friends. What's your opinion? Can it the best time to sell or hold friends? Please share in the comment box your opinion friends. Anyways, if we talk about the changes occur in the Wink coin, so the changes is positive 0.07% and the last 1 day and the last 24 hours. And if you look the highest price of the Wink coin, so 0.001293 USD dollar is the highest price of the Wink coin in the last 1 day and the 24-hour friends. So friends, the price is going positive and I hope that is just a beginning. The big pump of the Wink coin are coming soon, so wait for it. I hope that Wink coin give you a good amount of profit in the future. My prediction about Wink coin is very positive. I think that the big pump coming soon. What's your prediction? Please share in the comment box. And kindly friends, don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel and like this video.